Getting floors clean with traditional mops can be tricky. Regular mops can't get under furniture easily. Bending down hurts your back. But don't give up. You need Bendi Mop from Creative Products, the double-sided mop with a unique flexible head that flexes and bends under furnishings so you don't have to. The secret lies in the revolutionary two-part adjustable handle. The regular telescopic handle adjusts for a comfortable working height. Extend the handles further to reveal the secondary, unique, flexible head. Cleaning has never been easier. Say goodbye to backache. Now you can clean right under the bed where dust all too often accumulates. Bendi Mop soon has this parquet floor looking as good as new. When cleaning the bathroom, the head rotates easily to get right into the tight corners of bathroom floors. Working effortlessly between bathroom furnishings, the unique flexible head bends and cleans right underneath. It's amazing. The double-sided cleaning cloth provides flawless cleaning for any type of surface, making it ideal for laminates, vinyl, wood, tiled, and even stone floors. The deep microfibre piles pick up dirt like a moving magnet. When the microfibre cloth gets dirty, simply remove and wash on a low setting. Once dry, refit and you're ready to clean once more. Bendi Mop can be used both wet and dry with perfect results every time. Forget mops, buckets, dustpans and brushes. All you need is Bendi Mop, the go anywhere. Clean any surface, wet and dry mop with the unique flexible head. Take yours to the checkout now.